there's also this awareness that is behind all that. So seeing if we can drop into the awareness that holds all the parts. And with the resting in awareness, we can be safe. We're here now, open to whatever's arising in the consciousness, in the body, in the senses. And there might be urges to respond or react in a certain way, but we don't need to go into any of those conditioned ways of being. I'll close with naming this experience of being blended versus unblended. Just notice that when we're blended, all of our conditioning, our storehouse consciousness, as it's called in Buddhism, and our tendency to protect ourselves and our identity really tilts and skews how we experience hearing, seeing, smelling, tasting, touching, and thinking, which is the sixth sense in this approach.